We're going to be going really, really fast. Lots of content, the really practical stuff to change your life. You know that there's much more. There's much more that you can be, much more that you can do.
Hi, I'm Zina Gustar, and since here in Judymay Speak, I have absolutely fallen in love with my life. I've become a TV presenter, which has been a lifelong ambition of mine. I work as a dancer and choreographer internationally. I get to go to China, Barcelona, I travel out throughout the UK. My life has improved dramatically, and if you want changes in your life, you have to go and see Judymay live, so get your tickets now.
A year ago, both my business life and my personal life was in shambles. I didn't have a clue what I was doing. But thanks to the help of Judymay Murphy, I'm now at a place where I get to travel the world, running my international business, doing exactly what I want to do and what I love doing. It's incredible.
I am Lulu Story, and since working with Judymay Murphy and hearing her speak, I have transformed my life. I'm now the UK's top style coach. I write for Psychology's Telegraph. I am in the Huffington Post. I am a regular on the BBC. I work with clients in New York. The list is endless. My work at the top private members clubs in London have really attracted the best clients, all thanks to Judymay Murphy.
Hi, I'm Judymay Murphy. So why is it that you might like to come to see me speak live? Well, the reason is that when you see someone live in person, the brain processes it in a very different way from when you see them on a video or you read what they're saying in a book. And what I want for you is what you want for you. And that is to go much bigger, much faster. You know that you are operating at about 1/10 of your capacity right now. You know that the things that you experience, the things you have, the things that you do are way less than what is possible for you, what you're meant to be here for. And that's what the dissatisfaction is about. So we're gonna, in that hour, we're gonna just pack it right in. We're gonna get really, really serious, really fast, and work out exactly what is going on in your brain that is stopping you and how you can get those little roadblocks out of the way so that you can start to get there, to make your dream come true, because dreams are for living, not just for dreaming. I'll see you very soon.
Come to the expo, it's worth it.
Seriously.
Really, book it now.